Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Supreme. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for skill enhancement in your career. In this video, we will discuss about what is the purpose of retry in Cypress. So retry usage. So when our test case is getting failed, so it will be retry or particular test case is getting failed. So you will check one more time, like condition is getting passed or not. So this type of thing will come when that some button is there, yeah, something timer is there. So sometime like it will take more than 30 seconds to time, and generally we will use like 5 seconds, 10 seconds. Yeah, that one delay is there. If button is not visible, a particular element is not visible on the web page, so we will try for next time. So retry like we can use for the run mode and open mode. By default is 0. So when test case is getting failed, it will not check for the next things. Okay. So let's start. We'll go to the VS Code. First we understand about that any website, how we have to do. Okay. So any one button with element, if some element should be there, the element sometime is visible and sometime not visible. Okay, after some 10 seconds, 5 seconds, it will be visible. So one timer will be there always. So click counter, click counter is there. That is a website. So in that website, you can see the timer is coming like a seconds is coming. So when you want to run your test case, sometimes the 50 seconds, sometimes the 20 seconds, sometimes the different seconds are there. So in this case, what will happen? What will happen? We want to assert 25, but when we are not sure about the if 25 seconds are available on web page or not, so we want to assert. So like here, we want to assert this ones. Okay, so let's start that writing the scripts. Okay, we'll copy these urls, go to the VS Code. We'll create the another test case which is retry. Retry folder, right click, new, retry, open mode. Open mode, we are discussing about the open mode. Same thing would work for the run mode also. Okay, so describe block is there. Retry purpose, you can consider purpose. Okay, okay, fine. Now you want to do this for test case. Before we can give widget the url. Okay, okay, and we can say cy.widget. Okay, now our URL is launching, and after that we want to take the it blocks retry, retry uh, 4 times. Okay, okay, fine. Now you want to use that functions. Okay, so we have to go to like website, right click, inspect. Okay, and here the class is there. Spend.s. Yeah, it's coming. First one. Okay, fine. So we'll use that because we want to assert the content, like text we want to assert. So it will be like we can go, we can give, and you can think this name is like coming text is something else. Okay, this is seconds and its flicker is there. Every seconds is refreshing. Okay, So in that we can use the cy dot contents. Okay, we can give here, and what we have to do is the seconds is there. So we want to give the which seconds should be visible. So we have to the some regular expression is there. This one slash open and close bracket, again slash s means seconds star. Okay, this should be there. And what second? Suppose we want to check the 25 seconds. Okay, and again we want to use the same open and close bracket slash s star and outside slash. Okay, like that we have to use dot. You can use should command, and you can see exist. Okay, this is like when you start slash with this, and we have to close with slash same. Okay, this is the issues. Okay, so we got it that then it is working. Now we will run the test case and we'll see how it will be behave. Okay, till now we have not defined anything like retry mode. Okay, we have not defined any configuration. Let's start. Okay, npm cypress open. Yes, cypress is getting started. Okay, okay, our test case is retry. Okay, retry open mode. You can see our 25 seconds is there. Okay, and here how much second will display. Let's see. Currently 54, and our time is not matching. We are searching for the time, right? And this is like not working. Because of that, like 25 seconds is not available in that page. Okay, let me rerun the test case because 15 seconds is there. Now I will rerun the test case, and it like 32, 31, 30. It should come the 25. It should the getting the pass. It should the pass the test case. See, test case is getting pass. Okay, that is like expected. Now main thing is there, we are not sure about the which time it will become, so we have to use that these functions like run mode, and by default run mode is 0, and this is the we can this is the command. Run mode means this one run sorry, open mode is for 0 and run mode is 0. We required open mode as of now because we are doing that open mode because npx cypress open is there. Okay, so we'll keep that our configuration file, config file, cypress.config file, and we can keep here. We can run mode, open mode we will give for 5 times. We give, we'll take try 5 times, maximum 5 times, and it is getting pass or not. Okay, so let's see, because we change data inside that configures file, so it will be reload that our cypress. Okay, now cypress is reloading, and this is the change age. Open mode is 5. Okay, now test case getting started. Your tests are loading. Okay, test case started. 25 is not there. See, first attempt 25. We are waiting for the 25 seconds. It is coming 48, 46, 45, 44, like that, and it's getting fail because we are expected is not there. But one thing is you can see again you try attempt 2, attempt 3, attempt 4, like that it will be try always. It should be the correct one. See, yeah, it's getting pass. So In this case, total 4 attempt is remaining, and the second attempt, first attempt means directly it will be checking. Okay, normally checking. This is getting failed. Second attempt is get pass. So this is like usage of retry, and this is very useful when our test case is like these situations. You can run again. Now you can see the 57, 55 is there, and 25 is very less. So maybe that attempt 3 it will be cover. Attempt 3, attempt 4 also, attempt 3. Your maximum attempt is 5 you will give, because you will cover most of that scenarios. Okay. So now you can see first attempt is getting failed, and is started second attempt. Okay. In second attempt 25 is not there. Again is getting failed. Okay. Third attempt is getting passed. Okay, so this is like we are handling, but what is the drawback of that? I want to explain about that, because we have defined in the configuration file, and when we want to define the configuration file, what is the issue will come? Main issue will come for the this configuration is applicable all the test cases, yeah, throughout the your framework. Okay, so it is like issue in that when other test cases getting failed, like normal test case, so it will running the 5 times, and then it decided, oh, this test case is getting failed. So it will be like timing issue will come, like one test case is getting failed, the genuine issues, and we are wasting 1 2 3 minutes for the particular test case, 1 minute. That is like huge time of that. So for that we have to use in particular scenario, a particular test case, a particular test steps. Okay, let's I want to explain about that. Here our test case is this one, and in this test case only is getting failed, right? So you can use it here directly, you can use it here also, you can use it. Okay, here this command you can use it directly, you can copy this one for particular test case, you can use, see, copy and cut, we did cut. Okay, and you can define inside that. Okay, everything. And run mode is not there, I need only open mode. Okay, open mode we are running. So like that you can define it. Okay, 5 times, so it will be work on that. Okay, and this is a save, because this is a we remote from here, and for the particular test we use run mode 5 retry, and this is our Cypress is loading again, because we have changed, we removed that particular things. Now it's running the Cypress, and see it is working or not for the particular test case. Why you want to remove? Because it's the timing issues, and it is applicable all the test cases. So it is like very complex, right? So now it started like 55, and we are trying first time, and its test mode will like 5 times you have to check. I think we'll check it is working or not. See, after defining the particular test case also, we are trying for the second attempt. So it means it is working fine. So for if you are facing this type of issues in your test case, so you can use particular test case retry you can use for that, and it will be useful when your test case is like it will be fast on that. Your attempt is there. Whatever attempt as per the your requirement you can do, because it's a 60 seconds are there. I'd give maximum time is like 40, 24 is there. Suppose 24 second I started a test case and 23. So it will be like not covering then that 4 mode. It's covering in 5th mode. Okay, because of that I give. Okay, this is the test case getting passed. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.